Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore Ionos website from a backup. So I actually used this and it saved my website. Well, I made some settings which were not working. So what you do is you log into your Ionos dashboard, you come to the top, you click on menu, okay? Click on websites and shops right here. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and scroll down. You'll see all your different websites right here. So find your website that you want to restore. Then you click here on more details. And then what I want you to do is right here, the third option you should see is backups. Now they do backups every single day. They're stored up to 7 days. Okay, they're kept. And what you need to do is just choose any point of time. Okay, right here, you can go ahead and restore from. So let's say this one right here will restore. So click here on restore and click on all right, start recovery, and just give it about 10 minutes for this. So your visitors will not be able to access your website for about 10 minutes. And then you can keep refreshing the status right here until it is done. So we'll give this some time. We'll come back. Right, so it's been a few minutes, so let's refresh the status. And if we check right here, there we go, the backup has been done. So that is how to restore Ionos website from backup.